Kalisha.
Not Kalisha. Read the train.
Train. The train ride.
Very good.
One Saturday morning, Daddy. One Saturday morning, Dad said, let's go for train ride.
Train ride. Train ride. Now, next line. Oh, next page. Come on, read it. Show me that picture. What the picture is? There is a train and the family. Okay, what they are saying. Let's read it. Ansha, read it. Come on.
Number 2 page and number 1 page.
हाँ जी. Okay, now read it.
मैं number 2 पेज पे आ गई हूँ बच्चों. चलो पढ़ते हैं. फोल्ड करें. Yes, फोल्ड करते हैं. Okay, I fold that. Fold that. देखो बच्चों फोल्ड कैसे होता है.
Now read it, Ansha. Hurry up fast.
सीधा करना थे.
Okay, read it, Ansha.
Yeah. Yeah. Bobby.
Very nice.
Yeah. Potty.
Batty.
And yeah. Benny.
Very good. Harry.
Cody.
Batty and Benny.
इन सबके एक जैसे नाम we are going on a train ride.
And then you missed this. Read it.
The train
Cried.
ride.
Now read it. Hurry up. Sharply read.
No.
Okay, no. May I read it sharply?
Yes.
Can I read fastly? Harry, Bobby, Batty and Danny cried. We are going on a train ride. Now, Anshu, they can train. And what is this? Anshu, what they are telling? What is next?
माइक के मम्मा पापा ये है ना.
Yes.
ये सारे मम्मा पापा हैं.
No, family. This is full family.
इन लोग की फैमिली है.
The whole
इन लोग
family.
की.
Okay,
इन
now
लोग
read.
की फैमिली क्यों आ गई इनके साथ? इन लोग की फैमिली
They
क्या
are
है?
the other passenger on the train. They are the other. Okay, now read it.
The train past fields to green grass.
Very nice. You read it very nicely. Now read next.
The train went past may eat fruit trees.
Fruit trees. Very nice, Ansha. You read it very super duper. Wow, Ansha, horse. Stable. This is a stable. Horse is in the stable. And the train, no, this is not a stable. Can? Forget it.
Okay, forget it.
Now read it. Ansha, take a train is passing from the pan. Okay.
Oh,
read
this
this.
is said about what?
Read, Ansha, come on.
The train went past a greenhouse.
Horse.
Horse.
This is a grey horse. This is a grey. The word is grey and this is a horse. Mashallah, Ansha, you
Grey.
read it excellently.
Yeah.
Mashallah, alhamdulillah.